Are you starting to hear strange noises every time you hit a bump? Maybe it's a mysterious clunk, a sharp rattle, or a creak that sounds like an old wooden door. Suspension issues don't just ruin your ride quality. They can be a major safety hazard. In today's video, I'm going to break down the top 5 most common causes of suspension noise. I'll show you exactly what each part does, why it fails, and how you can check it yourself at home. This is FixDrive DIY, and let's get your car back to driving smooth. Cause number 1. Control arm bushings and ball joints. The first place you should look is your control arm bushings and ball joints. These are the pivot points for your suspension. The bushings are made of rubber to absorb vibration, but over time, that rubber dries out and cracks. When that happens, the metal arm starts hitting the frame. If you hear a loud thud or clunk when you accelerate or brake suddenly, it's likely these bushings. Also, keep an eye on the ball joints. If the internal grease dries up, they develop play. This creates a dangerous rattling sound on uneven roads because the wheel assembly is literally wobbling in place. Cause number 2. Sway bar links, the chatter noise. The second cause is one of the most common and cheapest fixes, the sway bar link. These links have tiny ball joints at each end protected by a rubber boot. Once that boot rips, and they always do, moisture and road salt get inside. This leads to internal corrosion. The noise for a bad sway bar link is very specific. It usually sounds like a fast chattering, or like clunking when you're driving over small ripples in the road. If the sound goes away when you're driving on a perfectly smooth highway, but comes back on a gravel driveway, check these links first. Cause number 3. Tie rod ends, steering vibration. Next up, we have tie rod ends. Now, these are actually part of your steering system, but they cause suspension noises. Both inner and outer tie rods can wear out. If you hear a clunking sound specifically when you are turning the steering wheel while parked or moving slowly, your tie rods are likely failing. You might also feel a slight vibration or looseness in the steering wheel. This is a critical part. If a tie rod snaps, you lose control of your steering, so don't ignore this one. Cause number 4. Struts, shocks, and mounts. The fourth cause is bad struts or shocks. Their job is to dampen the energy from the springs. When the fluid leaks out of a shock, it loses its ability to control the movement. This causes the car to bounce excessively, which leads to bottoming out. That's when you hear a massive bang, because the metal components are hitting their travel limits. Wait, don't forget the strut mounts. If you hear a boing or a popping sound at the very top of the engine bay when turning, it's usually the bearing inside the strut mount. It gets stuck and then suddenly snaps into place. Cause number 5. Broken coil springs. Finally, we have the broken coil spring. Many people think these last forever, but rust is a silent killer. Springs usually snap at the very bottom or the very top. A broken spring will rub against its seat, causing a loud metallic snap or pop. You might also notice that one corner of your car looks lower than the others. If your car is leaning to one side, get under there with a flashlight and check the coils for any hairline cracks or missing chunks of metal. So, how do you find out which one it is? Try the bounce test. Push down hard on each corner of the car. If it bounces more than twice, your shocks are gone. Then jack up the car. Grab the tire at the 12 and 6 o'clock positions and wiggle. If it moves, it's likely a ball joint. Grab it at 3 and 9 o'clock. If it wiggles there, it's your tie rods. Let me know in the comments, what sound is your car making? I try to answer as many questions as I can to help you save money on repairs. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to FixDrive DIY for more deep dive repair guides. Thanks for watching.